Hello, look at this portion. It's 30 divided by 2, and it will be equal to 15. Now here, 15 divided by 15, it will be equal to 1, and 1 will be our answer. But remember that it's totally wrong. So we have to solve it again by obeying some rules and some laws of operation. So this, first of all, see this. We know that if E is a single, we can write it as out of parentheses. So similarly, 15, which is in the parentheses, we can write it out of parentheses divided by 30 and further divided by 2. Now, according to PEMDAS, our bodmas or dmas, we have to move from left to right. Means, first of all, we have to solve this portion. And 50 divided by 30 can be written as 50 over 30. And that portion is as it is divided by 2, as it is 15 and 30 are cancelled, so we will get 1 over 2 divided by 2. Okay, now 1 over 2, that division is converted into multiplication, and we have to flip 2. We mean we have to take its reciprocal. It will become 1 by 2. So 1 times 1 will be equal to 1, and 2 times 2, it will be equal to 4. So 1 by 4 will be our answer. Thank you for your support.